Cognism Prospector helps companies supercharge their lead generation efforts by filling the top of the sales funnel with high-quality B2B leads and automate the outreach. With the Vidyard GoVideo integration for Cognism, it's easy to add high-impact, effective videos to your outbound sales emails, increasing the effectiveness and adding personality to your message. To add videos to your emails in Cognism Prospector, simply click the blue icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Then, either just sign into your account or sign up to Vidyard GoVideo for free. Once you're logged into Vidyard, you can record videos straight from your webcamera to introduce yourself or even demo certain aspects of the product. Alternatively, you can select pre-made content from your video library, including customer testimonials, case studies, marketing content, or pre-recorded videos. They're a great way to make your communications more complete and to increase your reply rates.